Around Australia, more than 12,000 Komatsu machines are in operation in the mining, construction and utility sectors. For maximum productivity, each needs regular, preventative inspection. That's why Komatsu has developed a specific condition monitoring service called KOWA, Komatsu Oil and Wear Analysis. Lubricant and fuel samples provide a health check. They are taken at intervals in a program purpose-built for each piece of equipment. KOWA laboratories maintain a service history for every machine under their care. Regular comparative analysis of each machine enables operators to plan maintenance, schedule downtime, and importantly, to identify irregularities which might otherwise prove catastrophic. KOWA is a national service. Laboratories are strategically placed in New South Wales, Queensland and Western Australia. Fast turnaround of results is important. KOWA's laboratories are linked to Komatsu's extensive branch network, and Komatsu specialist staff can react immediately to any critical sample results. KOWA customers have access to an exclusive, secure online portal so they can access the results virtually in real time. Of course, email and post is also utilised. Oil sampling is a clinical procedure and cleanliness is paramount. Komatsu insists its field staff follow rigorous techniques and recommends its customers do likewise when taking their own specimens. Here's a guide. Prior to opening the KOWA kit, always bring the machine up to operating temperature before taking a sample. Take it promptly during or at the end of a work cycle. This ensures free-floating particles, including contaminants, are captured. Gear compartments such as differentials and final drives should be sampled first. Because the gears are usually splash-fed, contaminants can settle quickly after the machine is shut down. It's important that floating contaminants are captured in the sample so they can be identified in the test process. Use a fresh cloth to thoroughly clean plugs and covers. Remnant dirt or grease can contaminate the sample and compromise the analysis. Open the KOWA bottle only when the sample is ready to be taken and seal it immediately afterwards to prevent contamination. Leave an air pocket within the bottle to guarantee normal oxidization en route to the laboratory. There's a mark on the side of the bottle to indicate when sufficient sampling has been taken. KOWA's diagnostic card is an essential component of analysis. Properly completed, it provides a ready guide to the ongoing service history of the machine. It's a simple procedure to fill it out. For a start, there's a section in which to enter the service life of the machine. Wear patterns obviously vary with age, so to understand the current service status is really important. It's also important to note the component life, especially when this is different to the machine life. The older the machine, the more likely that it is using replacement parts. It is essential to note the date the sample was taken and also the brand of oil, because this can affect the chemistry of the sample. It is also necessary to identify the type of oil, for example, whether it is for engine, gearbox or even marine application. Viscosity rating is an area of increasing importance. Machines are working to finer tolerances and lubricants are having to work much harder. Enter the date of the last oil change, because how long the oil has been in use will have a big bearing on analysis, as will knowledge of how much top-up oil has been added since the last oil change occurred. Machine details are also important, so please enter the make, model and serial number of the piece of equipment. And if there's been any update to the machine, there's a place to note that as well. Most importantly, take care. A sample incorrectly taken can compromise not only that single analysis, it can skew an entire service history record. Grubby, shoddy workmanship is simply unacceptable. Don't do this. Follow the correct procedure and the KOWA analysis will be of immense value. KOWA maintains the highest standards and seeks equal compliance from all maintenance personnel. Condition monitoring is of immense benefit, and in a competitive marketplace, KOWA tests are well priced, representing a very low portion of overall maintenance costs. In fact, data they provide can save money. KOWA is easily accessed. Service is available from all local branches by dialling, in Australia, 1300 566 287, and in New Zealand, 0800 566 2878.